Hola, bienvenidos a las evaluaciones finales. Check the dates of the module to have an idea of when we'll begin and end the module. All activities, lessons, assignments, and assessments will help you achieve the student learning outcomes for Spanish 102. Upon successful completion of the required coursework, the student will be able to communicate orally at an advanced beginning level, communicate in writing at an advanced beginning level, apply critical thinking skills in order to compare and contrast the Spanish language and culture throughout the various Spanish-speaking regions and also with one's own culture. Please next through the module and complete the following assignments and assessments by their due dates: Despedida final, final written composition, final oral project, final oral interview, summative final exam, Spanish 102, student feedback survey. Buena suerte!